I can't. You're making me nervous.
Oh no, her strawberries fell. Have a sad face. Yes, okay, that's perfect. We just found the mother load of strawberries here. Wait, get a small, like an average strawberry, like, so you can see the size.
Just a comparison.
Oh my lord. Oh my lord.
Like.
Oh yeah, this is a really nice shade of red, my favorite lipstick. Do it for the gram, I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the gram, I ain't gonna do it. Do it. Do it. Jordan, smile. Wait, it's not focused. Oh my god. Eat. Look at them, they're juicy. They be fat. Look how thick these are. Ooh, you thick. Oh, you thick! Oh. Whip. Dab on them haters. Oh, jeez. Oh my god, you on S Games mode. We on S Games mode. Hi guys, we're really smart and we decided to park at the very last. Can you hold this for a second?
Yeah.
Very last spot.
Who left their child here?
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, you're so S Games mode. Oh. Welcome to Chili's. Come on, let's go, people. I got places to be. I hate traffic. Look at all those chickens. Ooh, we eating good tonight, man. Oh, wow. Ooh. Ooh. Guys. Smile.
Let me take you down, 'cause I'm going to strawberry fields. Nothing is real, nothing to get hung about. Strawberry fields forever. Living is easy with eyes closed.
Start running. Look cute. Look Tumblr. Long time no see?
Yeah.
Mother load. Oh my god.
Please do not let dogs jump against the window.
It's a crusty crab pizza. It's the pizza. Do-da-dee. The crusty crab pizza. Pizza. Do-da-boo-da-dee. Hell yes. Update, we tried to make slime. We kind of failed with this one, but it's still Gucci though. Eating some Polar Pizza. I love.
It's worth the $26.
Yeah.
On it.
Fireworks, baby. Yay, gang gang. Hurry, go for this guy. Let's shoot. We out here doing fireworks illegal. We're illegal. We're adrenaline.